Hello and good evening. I'm Cheryl D'Souza and you're watching Goa 365. Our headlines at the hour. Workers of Corporation of City of Panjim illegally hold residents of Panjim to ransom by refusing to collect garbage. Acting Mayor Yatin Parikh wants the Chief Minister to appeal to them. Traders and vendors in the Panjim market keep the establishments closed. Leader of the opposition sees the hand of the Home Minister in the attack on the Montserrat's residence. Alex's E. Oj Amigos, a unique art and cultural festival, gets underway. Now for the news in detail. Putrid stench, decaying fish and maggots feasting on meats, rotting fruits and vegetables, clogged drains and flies all around the Panjim market welcome people to the capital city. 3 days after the corporation workers struck work in protest against police action against Mayor Tony Rodrigues, the situation is threatening to get out of hand and may even be the cause for an outbreak of an epidemic.
Waiting for government to act on their demand, CCP workers' strike entered the third day today, and the situation in the capital city is going from bad to worse. And if at all the situation is not remedied immediately, there is a possibility of an epidemic outbreak. Garbage is piling on the streets of Panjim since the last 3 days. And given the fact that the generation of garbage is to the quantity of 45 tons each day, the scenario is grim. The CCP corporators and workers are demanding action against the police for assaulting their mayor, Tony Rodrigues. There is no area in Panjim city where you cannot see bins overflowing with garbage. And at almost every corner, garbage is strewn all over the place. Already non-collection of garbage, refusal to clean the fish market has given birth to unwanted life, which would be cause of breaking of an epidemic in the city. The stench has become unbearable and is spreading far and wide. Why should the masses be held to ransom for something that has happened between the mayor and the police? We at Goa 365 spoke to few citizens to gauge their opinion on the decision of the CCP workers.
Well, I don't think the municipality should have resorted to this strike because in no way are the citizens of Panjim involved in this issue. And I also feel that the mayor should not have got involved in this sort of violence. This basically, according to me, is a gang fight between two gangs. And why should the city suffer because of this? So I think, I hope better sense prevails and the municipality starts collecting the garbage because it's going to be a big problem for the city for no fault of their own.
म्हाका दिसता की हो हांगा ही पळय सगळी हळशीक जावन पडल्या कोयर जळी मेळी पडला तो तांच्यांनी काडचो पॉलिटिक्स बी तें कांय सगळें कुशीक दवरचें अशें म्हाका तरी दिसता की हय आनी लोकांकूय त्रास न्ही सगळ्यांक नाका हे रुमाल धरून सगळें भोंवचें पडटा
तर आमी तांकां सांगूंक लागला न्हू तुमी पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर वचा हें करा पब्लिकान सांगूंक ना कितें जाता तुमी झगडी करा हें करा ते पब्लिकाक लागून वचूंक नासलें पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर एक हेजो मुन्सिपालिटीचो काम करता कोणें मारलो बिरलो जाल्यार गोश्टी वेगळी आसले न्हू पॉलिटिकल इश्यू आमकां करना न्हू लोकांक ते तेंच्यान सॉल्व करपाक जाय लोकांक वेटीक धरूंक जायना असले.
However, CCP is yet to decide on withdrawing the indefinite strike as they are awaiting the Chief Minister's appeal, says Acting Mayor.
See, right now it is 11:30 in the morning and since 9:30 I am sitting here awaiting response from the government. We will be happy, in fact, that if CM calls upon us, our union people and both the MLAs, Mr. Manohar Parrikar and Babush, and a joint meeting has to be held. See, we are waiting. We know that people are facing the hardship. City is stinking. We don't want people to face this problem. We want early response from the government and we are waiting for it.
We spoke to medical professionals to highlight what could possibly happen if the garbage is left unattended.
From everything, I mean, from gastrointestinal infections to cholera, to especially leptospirosis, which can be very deadly, can kill people, and doctors have to be aware that that's going to be a huge problem with this mounting garbage. Mercifully, we are not in the monsoons. It would have been worse that way. Every kind of vector-borne disease is possible with all this mounting garbage that is there. You know, you're going to have possibility of typhoid, possibility of hepatitis. It can go on and on, but it's surely a big health hazard.
Briefing media persons, leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar seems confident that the impasse would be broken and strike would be called off.
महापौराकडे ही गजाल म्हणजे लक्षात हाडून दिली की कचरो जर तूं शहरांत चड दीस उरत जाल्यार तातूंतल्यान आरोग्याच्यो समस्या निर्माण जातल्यो आनी घटनेक जे जबाबदार आसात ते पॉलिटिकल लिडरांक पनिशमेंट सोडून सर्वसामान्य मनशांक पनिशमेंट करप जातलें. अन्य जे ह्या संदर्भात जे कोण आसात तांचे कडेनूय म्हजें उलो एक जशें मेळटा अशें उलोवप चालू आसा आनी म्हाका गॅरंटी आसा की फाल्यां भितर हो विशय कचऱ्याची समस्या दूर जातली.
He also conveyed the opinion of the mayor over the issue.
महापौर सदा स्वता ह्या ओपिनियनाचे आसा की ताका जरी मारहाण जाली तरी सुद्दां सर्वसामान्य मनशांक ताजो त्रास जावंक जायना अशें तांच्यांनी म्हजे कडेन एक्सप्रेस केलें.
Today, traders and vendors in the Panjim Municipal Market downed the shutters upon the call given by Panjim Municipal Market Tenant Association to protest against the police attack on City Mayor Tony Rodrigues.
आम्ही जे बंद दवरला ते आमचे जे नगराध्यक्ष मेयर सेसे मेयर आहा न्ही ते आमचे हाजे मेन आमचे भाटकार कशे आनी आमच्या भाटकाराक अशी जी मारहाण जाल्या गंभीर मारहाण जाल्या बरें दिसूंक ना आनी आमी ते हाज्या खातीर ताका इतकी मारहाण केल्या जबर मारहाण केल्या त्या बद्दल आमी तेचो निशेध म्हणून आमी ते बंद पुकारला आनी आयजचो बंद जो आसतलो तो एक दिसाचोच आसतलो आनी हो वेपारांचो जेंच्यांनी आमच्या खातीर जे स्वकुशीन बाकीच्या वेपाऱ्यांनी जे बंद केल्या तेंचें आमी अभिनंदन करता की तेंच्यांनी आमच्या मार्केट एसोसिएशनाक सपोर्ट केला. आमी कोणाक अशी जबरदस्तीन कोणाकूच सांगूंक ना की तुमी बंद करा किंवा आमी भोवंक ना.
We have lots more coming up after the break. Stay with us.